So we are in suite 523. This time we went for a suite at the Elms because we have people with us. Jim, of course, because Jim's always with us. You can come in. We got a couch. I don't know, a bench, desk. Through here is a little wet bar. That's it. A wet bar, a fridge. And then here's the bedroom. It's a pool down there. We're gonna go to the pool soon. They're coming. And here's bed. The bathroom is very small. You can look at the other room. We had a queen size room last time. And this is the bathroom for here. We've already used it a little bit. So, but so far so good. I am gonna say, I mean, it's not the cleanest. Remember, water. The test. There's stuff floating in your water. Yeah.
Walk back towards the pavilion?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. What about you?
I like that idea. Looks really nice back there.
So, second stay. We're gonna do a different kind of. We used to do reviews like that by sitting on the couch and then. So we're gonna do a different way, like we used to in the old days.
Yeah.
This is nice. I didn't see this.
I didn't see this. Private event.
Is it?
I don't know. That's what the sign says.
Where?
Right there. I think that's where that they pull out.
Oh.
Kind of move people.
Mhm.
They have golf.
Mhm.
The game.
I don't know.
Yard
Cool
golf.
looking from back here.
Yeah.
We spent the day swimming. We were swimming in the pool, and then we were in the lap pool doing whirlpools. And exhausting. Yeah.
Yeah. Tired.
Mhm.
Made a long day.
Been a long
Of
day.
doing
Look at us! Yay! We're happy. We're going home. Next trip, I swear, we're gonna take it without any kids, like the last two.
Yeah.
And we'll do more video because it's hard. We get distracted when there's children.
It's been a good trip, but
We get distracted when there's kids,
yeah.
adult kids.
Pretty flowers.
You can get married here. Surprise! It's a surprise wedding.
No. Oh no!
Ugh, the bug just hit my face.
Oh no!
Look at that. It's awesome. It's also like it's like 1,000 degrees right now.
Supposed to be the fishing river.
Is that a person back there?
Is the name? No, that's a light.
Okay. Ooh, excuse me.
It looks like a person.
Ghosts. They're everywhere.
Storage cabinet.
Is it? Huh.
Yeah. That's nice. Big and wide.
We are back at the Elms Hotel and Spa in Excelsior Springs, Missouri.
That's
Missouri. What's it called again?
right. Excelsior Springs, Missouri. The Elms.
The Elms Hotel and Spa. Oh, so we're looking around again. And this is our second stay. Been here 2 nights. We got a suite this time. This is our last day, but we're looking around. We've never been back here, so
There's a fire pit.
Is that a bachi? That looks like some kind of...
It's a maze.
That, oh, I was like, that looks like something for, like, witchcraft.
Sacrifice.
Yeah, witchcraft.
I saw it advertised in the little video. They have this board, one of those flip-through boards that talks about the property, and I saw that on there. And it's one of those puzzles that you figure out how to get to the other side.
Okay.
A bocce ball pit.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Can't believe we've never been back here.
I know. This is
Weather has also been like 107 degrees heat index.
yeah.
So,
Hot.
so it's been hot. We've been spending the day in the pool. Look at this.
Wow. This is in the very back corner of the property.
Yeah.
Good little hidden
They have a
secret.
garden.
I see that. Wow. That might be the fishing river. The name of the river that runs.
Well, if there's a pathway, we will follow it. Unless it says no, do not go. Or if we see a snake, then I'm out of here. Might be too hot, huh?
I don't know.
Shut up, just say it's too hot for
it's
snakes.
too hot.
Repeat after
Too
me.
hot, too humid for snakes.
Too hot for snakes.
Let's take some stairs under the cedar tree.
Sounds like someone's chopping wood.
It does.
I'm scared. You know what happens when someone's chopping wood?
Like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, right? That.
No, if someone's chopping wood, that means there's like a serial killer back here.
I don't think so.
What does it say, that sign?
Elms Hotel.
Garden.
Oh, Elms Herb and Greens Garden.
Huh. I'm gonna go look. Let's go look. It doesn't say keep out. Bless you.
Thank you.
Hello? Is someone here? I hear some voices.
It's really pretty. They have some squash, mint.
Wonder if they use their garden for anything.
Hello?
That's okay. Let's go look at that maze thing. Make sure there's no snakes. Say, make noises.
Look, they have
Basil.
tomatoes,
Tomatoes are looking pretty healthy.
marigold.
It looks like nobody's taking care of it, though.
Yeah,
Looks a lot.
it's
It's chaos gardening. How we do it at our house. What?
It's interesting.
Why? It doesn't, and there's watches. Well, it says the Elms, and there's no keep out or no guests past this spot area.
Yeah.
Is there a lake behind that?
There should be a river.
No, I'm not going. Let's go over here. Oh my God. Don't know what this is. Is it? Don't know what this is. It's weird.
This definitely does not look like it did on the,
It doesn't look like it?
it looks a lot different. I think AI really made it look a lot better than what it
Is that a path over there?
Yes. That's a road over
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
there. There's a little cut through right there.
Not going to any big...
No, I just want to walk to it.
My big fear is snakes. Please, Jim, don't kill me out here in the woods.
Oh, it's an old bridge.
Oh wow. We're going. We're exploring now. Oh shit.
What?
I heard something.
There's bugs.
No, it sounded big. Come back. I'm scared. I don't know.
See the, like an old dam.
Are you going down?
No, I'm not going down there.
Okay.
If I was gonna fish
You
that,
hold
I'd
that.
go
I'm
down
just
there.
gonna take a video closer.
That is pretty cool, though. Oh, you can.
Oh, it's right to the back side.
Yeah, that's the split level between the lap pool and the
We'll go up this
the
way
upper
then.
deck. They have lights that you can turn on down here if you wanted to, I guess.
I don't know, if lights would just make it feel like there's
Volleyball.
a lot of, bugs. They'll be all of a sudden like.
Yeah, well, I think they're high enough that they wouldn't be in your face.
You know what's out here?
What? Crocodiles?
The ghosts of the Elms Hotel. Last night we were
You
playing.
think they brought them back here?
Last night we were playing on the 5th floor lobby, the 5th floor lounge area,
Yeah.
and all of a sudden the REM pod thing started going off, and it was like.
And they go like crazy.
It went crazy, and that was the first time it went off.
Yeah.
But then once we moved it to the other part of the room, it stopped. Now I'm not sure if there was an airflow, but I didn't feel an airflow, or if it was just going crazy. But it was
It
kind
could
of.
have been a temperature
It
change.
was crazy. It was so
Yeah,
scary.
it went absolutely
But after we
bonkers.
moved it, nothing happened.
Yeah.
So.
What is that?
What? Arrowhead?
No, it's a piece of bark or something.
You're trying to scare me.
No, I wouldn't do that.
Oh my god!
But yeah, it's a really nice property. It's kind of nice that
Isn't
we
this
got
where
the whole.
the Jay, the guy, the
Mhm.
clerk said he was like in one of these buildings
Yeah,
putting stuff away at night,
yeah.
and then like he started walking back, and
Like it was pitch dark black.
and he heard something, and he
He was
started
like-
running,
Yeah.
and he doesn't run, and he's
Said,
like,
yep, that's it. Nope, not going back there after dark anymore. Jay's a really good tour guide.
yeah. I don't know. I don't remember if we covered the tour last time. I don't think we did.
Oh,
But the paranormal tour is really good here.
yeah, it
It's
is.
not that expensive.
No,
either.
it's only $20 for.
$25.
That's the river.
Up the river, down the river.
That is your favorite game.
That's my favorite college game. It's hot out here.
It is. Boom, boom, boom.
So these are the dumpsters. What I cut out was Jim dumpster diving.
Yeah, nothing good.
I'm gonna say, like, our room wasn't the cleanest this time, and for a suite, it wasn't the best, but we had fun, so no complaints. And it's kind of hoardish, not whorish, hoardish.
Yeah,
Kind of hoardy down back here. But,
little parts here and there, ladders and whatnot, storage
and I
box.
don't think they have enough housekeeping because our room never got made up today.
No.
But it is what it is, and we'll be fine.
Yeah.
We're still coming back again someday.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Can't tell management what to do.
Well, I'm very reluctant to like complain and say something to like the front desk because it always winds up being the housekeeper's fault, and they're gonna just blame it on her.
Yeah.
When it's really management needs to hire more people. So, though I'm not 100% happy with how the room cleanliness was or getting our room made up, I am not complaining.
No.
Not gonna complain. But when you spend that much money on a suite, it should be more. It should be a lot more. So, you should get more. Go around the front. Oh, smoking area. In this area only. So on the side of the building, if you're a smoker, you could probably have some cigarettes out here. Yep. Smoking permitted there only. Hot.
Hear the hell's bugs, locusts.
8:30, it's like, gotta be, it's still 100 degrees.
I gotta fix my watch. It used to have the weather on it, but
we're going inside. It's way too hot.
where's the lavender? That's so pretty.
Let's go check out the flowers and then go in.
Yeah, I think from the old elms, he came out to here where the fountain is.
So pretty.
It's hot.
Let's go in the side so we don't make the valet get up and open our door.
Yeah, he's really quick about grabbing the door and opening it.
I don't want to make him work any harder.
Yeah.
Look at these. These are pretty too.
Yeah.
Wow, it's warm.
Snowball.
Snowball. Yeah.
We'll just leave it at that.
Yay.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's hot. We'll take the elevator up. You don't want to walk the stairs again, do you? Jim's like, no way. We did it. I made you the other day.
Yeah,
Twice.
we did it.
2 or 3 times.
It wasn't as fun as you'd think it would be.
It was great. Good room.
Jim and Val.